Don't be stupid, that wasn't me.
They should do something about that.
Somebody's going to have to clear that up.
It's nothing to do with us. It's dirty. Leave it alone.
Yeah, but it's not happening here.
No, it's just a little
think it's
stuff.
about
It does look a bit weird, doesn't
It's
it?
always been like that, hasn't it?
People really
I'm gonna go down! So obviously this was all planted here for show. For effect. The island, 7 miles offshore, all this debris planted here as a publicity stunt. Ydyn ni'n rhedeg allan o amser. But things do wash up on the beaches here.
Dyma ni rif blodeuo. Chydig bach mwy rhesymol, y geiriau cymhedro. Mae'r byd yn newid eto mwy.
Hali bod ni dal ei gredu, a gallwn ni prynu i ffordd allan. It's time to wake up. It's time to make change.
Eto llafur cariad ydy cadw y gobaith byw wrthio'r llanw gwthio nôl yng nghanol newid cydion dim mewn tonnau garw dyma